I'm here with one of our Jetwave drain cleaning packages. This is a trailer mounted drain cleaning machine performing at 5,000 psi at 23 litres a minute. Just like to point out some of the features on this trailer made machine. I've got here to start with is our enclosed battery in the battery box. This is for protection, of course, of the battery. It all has a circuit breaker press to reset button and a charge indicator button. Mounted directly above that on this box with a clear face is our electrical gear inside here. One of the main features inside this unit you'll see here maybe is the 12 volt 7 amp solar charge controller unit. Running directly back to our 12 volt solar panel charger here, runs as a trickle charger back into our battery for recharge. Also mounted on top of the unit here you'll see the working LED beacon light and also night working lights with 360-degree swivel. This is all controlled and mounted off the side of this control box. Again, with your on-off of your night work control lights, and most importantly is your battery isolator switch. The hose reels that we use in these units are these robust and heavy industrial hose reels. This particular unit here has the supply hose feeding into the poly tank, the cartridge tank. Has 3/4 inch low pressure hose for water supply. Roughly about 60 metres on this hose reel as you see it now. These are a nice hose reel with the stainless steel guide rollers. This allows for the hose to be pulled out at 90 degrees to the hose reel in any direction and allows for tangle-free access. Some of the service points on these hose reels you see here, you've got the high pressure swivel here with grease and service points. And another one of the nice features on this machine is also with the 24-point locking pin on the hose reel. Spring loaded, release the pin, allows you to roll out the amount of length of hose you require, lock back into place, nice and sturdy. The engine that's driving this particular unit in this case is the 31 horsepower V-twin unleaded petrol engine. This is a Vanguard V-twin, as I said, mounted here with the Donaldson type air filter. Directly below that we have obviously the throttle control and choke control of your on-off. In this case we have an hour meter here for readout. Laying down in front of the motor here we've got some of our standard nozzle, part of the nozzle kit. We have here what's a reverse turbo or root ranger bar, a penetrator nozzle, and also the adjustable ceramic inserted nozzle, penetrator nozzle. Next to that is the optional spinning warthog. For ease of control and safety while you're working with these machines, we have complete control here by ball valve shut off and shut on, and the large pressure gauge to show the working pressure of the unit. On the second hose reel that we have here in front of you, this has got the 3/8 Piranha sewer hose. This has got 120 metres on the same style of reel as the supply hose. You'll see directly below the hose reel, as part of the features of these industrial built trailers, you've got the safety working legs. Mounted here is a 60 litre stainless steel fuel tank to supply the petrol engine with its unleaded petrol. And if you look directly behind the petrol tank here, you'll see the pump. This is an Interpump XXX ceramic piston pump. You see there the brass pump head with the brass bypass valve. This is a gearbox reduction unit, so the pump is running at 1450 RPM. On this particular model of trailer we have got two working lockable work boxes. This is so this customer can carry their CCTV camera inspection gear, lock away safely and ease of use also when they arrive at the work. Positioned between the two toolboxes we've got a 200 litre poly cartridge tank. See off the front of the poly tank here for ease of weight and transport ease, quick release dump valve. On this particular occasion we've got a remote mini reel here with 60 metres of 1/4 inch sewer hose. This is mounted and locked onto the front of the A-frame of the trailer. On this particular occasion we only have the one hose reel, but for the framework we designed here it allows to carry 2 remote mini reels. You'll see also carrying off the front of the A-frame, standard safety Brady cones and your dry chemical fire extinguisher. What's also part of this package from a safety standard point of view, we have the working danger signs, and we also have the first aid kit, high visibility vests and the hard helmets. This trailer is fitted with a spare wheel over the A-frame and with manual override brakes.